Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. In starry-eyed joopy birds, a loud squawk is dominant to a quiet squawk. If a heterozygous joopy bird mates with a homozygous dominant joopy bird, will they have any quiet babies? In spoken language this would be, in starry-eyed joopy birds, a loud squawk is dominant over a quiet squawk. If a joopy bird that has one dominant and one recessive gene heterozygous mates with a joopy bird that has two dominant genes homozygous dominant, will they have any offspring that have? Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.